Hello friends, I am Kapil Chauhan. You are watching Technical Academy. In this presentation, I am going to explain you about the various applications of the robots. So there are lots of applications of robot. The first application is in the manufacturing company. So basically, in the manufacturing companies, the robots are used for assembling and disassembling of the smaller components like pumps and motors at the very high, which are rotating at the very high speed, and they are used for inspecting the machinery parts. They are used for moving the material from one place to another place, and robots are also used for jointing the two materials over one another by using welding, and they are used for spraying the paints over the cars and other vehicles. They are also used for testing the devices, and you can see here in the given animation that two robots are jointing the parts of the robots. So there are various applications of the robots in the manufacturing company. For example, we can take that for the fast work, as we want that our work should be done efficiently in less amount of time. So for that purpose, robots are used for fast work, and they can accurately do. It means they have very high accuracy in comparison to the human beings, and they can calculate mathematically very fast. Their mathematical calculation are also very fast in comparison to the human beings. That's why they are used in the manufacturing company. Now the second application of drones are robot in the agriculture field. So you can see here in the given animation that a robot is, or a drone is flying over the different crops which are cultivated in the field, and that drone is capturing the information or gathering the information about the crops. Now the one drone is here. The drone is spraying selective pesticides and the chemical fertilization on the crops. Now the third application is robots in the defense systems. So in the defense system, robots are used as they are used for driving the fighting jets, and there is a lot of application in the military operations. They are also used for the security purposes. Sometimes these robots are used for the neutralization of the explosive materials, and they are also used for the fire extinguisher. Ready for the fight. You can see here he is going to fight with the rival group with his dangerous weapons. The fourth application is robot as an animal and human. So robots, they are designed like dog, spider, tiger, cat, human beings, honeybee, etc. So there are various applications of these robots as an animal. For example, you can take suppose that we have designed a honeybee, then we can get the secret information for any particular operation by using spy cameras. You can see here this is a spider robot which is moving like a spider.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna
Now the humanoid robot is moving along with the man and he is copying the instructions given by that man. Now he is going to copy the same instruction like the command that is given by that human. So these are the various applications of the robots at the modern time. Thanks for watching.